Hello everybody, this is Bee from Mama Bee's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bee's menu, we are making barbecue beef back ribs. This is an easy recipe for tender, flavorful big back ribs. It's not a quick recipe, but truly easy. Let's get started. First things first, we are going to cut the ribs into single pieces. Beef back ribs, they are what is left after the butcher cut the ribeye, roast off the bones, so there's not much meat left on top of the bones. Next, season the ribs generously on both sides with salt and black pepper. I love big back ribs, guys. They are big chunks of super delicious fatty meat between the bones, and when cooked properly, the ribs are tender, succulent, and very flavorful. Traditional sides served with ribs are often starch, but I love to serve mine with vegetables or roasted potatoes. I'll leave the link somewhere up here for my favorite roasted red potatoes video. You can go check it out, guys. Drizzle with olive oil, cover with the foil. Then we are going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1.5 hours. At 1 hour 30 minutes, we're gonna pull out the ribs, brush with the barbecue sauce, then put them back in the oven and cook for extra 15 minutes. One thing I can tell you guys, I like to leave the membrane on. I never remove it, but you are more than welcome to peel it off. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends and your family, and please don't forget to subscribe and to ring the bell so we stay connected. There you have it, guys, barbecue beef back ribs. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.